How to transfer videos from iPhone to PC wirelessly. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your videos from iPhone to PC wirelessly or without any cable. So let's get started. First of all, go to both of the search engines on both of your devices and search for pairdrop.net. So you need to do this simultaneously in order to transfer the files, because if you're not doing it side by side, you'll not be able to transfer the files. And note that you need to be at the same location and connected to the same network. So once you're here, you can see that I have two devices, so that's why it's written two. So you're going to select this PC one over here and then click on photo library, and you will be redirected to the photo library. So you can select the video you wish to send to your PC and then just click on add. So once you click on add, you'll be able to see something like this in front of you on your PC. So you'll be able to see this, and here it's written file transfer request. So you just got to click on accept. And after that, you'll be able to see that this progress icon is on both of the devices. And here is the video downloaded, and you can click on download again if you wish to download the video again. So that was how you can transfer your videos from iPhone to PC wirelessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.